how to buy jelly token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure please to check the Rex account. This is much important in any token that you want to buy, and keep following their updates about their token for sure. See what this is. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screen. To be able to buy this token, it's simply and easy. Now click on trade jelly to XRP. To be able to expand this window, just click here and you will be redirected to First Ledger exchange platform. What you need to do is just connect your First Ledger wallet. After that, set here the amount that you want to buy of XRP, and here you will be see how much you will receive of that token. After that, make sure to read all of that information here, and if you are ready to go, just click on buy jelly and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy jelly token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.